Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 2. In the previous class, I have discussed the good grammar, first chapter, alphabet. And in today's class, I will explain the capital letters, when to use capital letters. Page number 9, capital letters. See, three sentences are here. Ravi likes to play. Second sentence, he is playing with his friends. Third sentence, they are having fun. Look at these three sentences. Ravi likes to play. He is playing with his friends. They are having fun. These are three different sentences, and each sentences begin with a capital letter. In the first sentence, Ravi likes to play. R is capital letter. In the second sentence, he is playing with his friends. He, H is in capital letter. They are having fun. They, first word, T, capital letter. It means every sentence has a beginning capital letters in English. In English only we can find out this rule. Which rule? Each new sentences or each sentences have capital letters in the beginning. See, each sentence begins with a capital letter. E main question. Rewrite each sentence begin with a capital letter. See, first sentence, the flower is pretty, but that is wrong. T must be capital letters. That's why they have given answer as the flower is pretty. The flower is pretty. And like that we need to complete the next sentences. Second sentence, Meera has 2 kittens. Here Meera, M must be capital. Meera has 2 kittens. Third sentence, Kavita is my sister. Beginning of the sentence, K must be capital letter. So you need to make K as capital letter. Write K as capital letter, and remember, when you start a sentence you need to start with a capital letter. Kavita is my sister. Fourth sentence, where is my book? Here first letter W must be capital letter. Where is my book? This is a question. Question also a sentence. Fifth sentence, he likes mangoes. Here H is capital. He likes mangoes. Sixth sentence, they are going to school. T must be capital letter. They are going to school. Here is the end of the E main question. After this main question, there is one more box. We write I with a capital letter when we write about ourselves. We write I with a capital letter when we write about ourselves. Ourselves means our means Namma, ourselves, Namma Bange. Example, my mother and I like to play. My mother and I. Here I is not small letter, it is a capital letter. My mother and I like to play. Wherever you write I, if that I is talking about ourselves, then that I must be always capital letter. F main question. Write I and complete the paragraph. First one is done for you. I am Reena. And the next fill in the blanks. I filled already. I with capital letter. I am 6 years old. I study in class 2B. I like my school. I have 5 friends. My friends and I have fun together. We have to complete this fill in the blanks with I. Next page, page number 10. One more information. We use capital letter to begin the name of a person or a place. Examples: Mohan, Asma, Harjeet, Mary, Kolkata, Taj Mahal. See, in these examples, there are name of a person or a place. Mohan is a name of a person. Asma is a name of a person. Harjeet is a name of a person. Mary is a name of a person. Kolkata is a name of a place. Taj Mahal is a name of a place. G main question. Write about yourself. You have to write about yourself. And I filled here, I wrote here about myself. You change these and you write about yourself. Change the name, all fill in the blanks. You must change to your own. See, first one, your name. I have written here Viresha. See, what is your name? Write your name. Second one, your surname. My surname is Baglimat, so I write here Baglimat. You write your surname. If you want, ask your parents. Take the help of your parents, sisters, elder sisters, or elder brother. Third sentence, your mother's name. My mother's name is Hemavati, so I write here Hemavati. You write your mother's name. Fourth sentence, your father's name. My father's name is Siddhaya, so I have written here Siddhaya with a different spelling. His name is, so I know my father's name. You also ask your parents and fill in the blanks. Fifth one, the name of your school. This is same. Your school is also same, my school is also same. So RVK CBSC HB Halli. Here no change in the answer. You can write the same answer. Sixth sentence, the name of your country. My country is India. Your country is also India. So need not to change the answer. You can write the same answer. Fifth and sixth answer you can write the same answer. Next, main question. Before going to the main question, some more when to use capital letters. See, until now we come across beginning of the sentence we need to write capital letter. When we write I, when we talk about ourselves, we must write I with capital letter, and if the name of a person or a place, we use to capital letter. And one more thing, we also use capital letters to begin the names of festivals, days of the week, and months of the year. Examples: Holi, Friday, May. See all these examples. Holi is the name of a festival, Friday is a day, May is the month of the year. H, main question. Circle the names of the festivals that you enjoy the most. Circle the names of the festivals that you enjoy the most. One is done for you. Holi. Holi festival is rounded already, and which I enjoy the most, I have rounded those festivals. I enjoy Diwali, so I rounded the word Diwali, means Deepavali. Rakhi, I enjoy Rakhi festival, so I rounded the festival Rakhi. And the next festival is Durga Puja. I rounded Durga Puja. I like the festival most. That's why I rounded the festival Durga Puja. And if you have your own choice, you can round your own festivals which you enjoy the most. You can free to round the festivals. The other festivals I will read: Pongal, Eid, Christmas, Easter, Onam, and Nowruz. I will give you brief explanation about some of the festivals. Pongal is celebrated or famous in Tamil Nadu. It is a harvest festival. Eid, we know, Eid ul Fitr, Eid Milad. Christmas, we know, 25th December. Christmas, Christians celebrate Christmas. Easter, Easter is Easter Sunday. That's also Christian festival. Onam, Onam, it is Indian festival. And Nowruz, Nowruz is Iranian New Year. Iran country's New Year is celebrated as Nowruz. This is all about festivals. Next main question, I main question. Fill in the blanks with the names of the days of the week. See the names of the weeks they have provided here: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 7 days of the week. Fill in the blanks with the names of the days of the week. First sentence: which day of the week is a holiday? Which day of the week is a holiday? Answer is Sunday. They have given the answer as Sunday. Yes, Sunday is the holiday. day. Sunday is holiday. Second sentence, which day comes before Tuesday? Before, after. Before opposite word is after. Before Tuesday. Which day comes before Tuesday? It is Monday. But remember, M should be capital letter. Monday. Third sentence, which day comes between Wednesday and Friday? Which day comes between Wednesday and Friday? Between Wednesday and Friday, which day is that? Thursday. Remember to write T capital letter. Thursday is the right answer. Fourth, fill in the blanks. Which day of the week has the most number of letters? Which day of the week has the most number of letters? The answer is Wednesday, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. Wednesday. Wednesday. 9 letters. And count the other days letters. They are less than Wednesday, or 9 letters, less than 9 letters. Saturday, Saturday, 8 letters. You can count the other days letters. They are less than 9. Last sentence, fifth sentence, write the letters in Thursday in alphabetical order. Write the letters in Thursday in alphabetical order. Means Thursday, Thursday. We need to arrange these letters in Thursday in alphabetical order. See, I have arranged for you. A, D, H, R, S, T, U, Y. Thursday. D-A-Y. Day. A is there. So, A they have given as a first letter. A after A, which letter is B, C, D. B and C are not there in Thursday. D is there. That's why I wrote D here. After D, E, F. E and F both are not there. So, G is also not here in Thursday. H letter is there. That's why I have written H. After H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. These letters are not there in Thursday. So, R is there. R, S, T, U, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So, R, S, T, U letters are here in Thursday. So, I have written R, S, T, U. And the last letter is Y. Y comes at the last. Y and Z. This is the answer. And fill these blanks in your good grammar. And for your homework, write G main question. Write about yourself. 6. Fill in the blanks. Same page number 10. G. Write about yourself. That is for homework. And the rest you need to fill in good grammar. So here is the end of the lesson. I hope you understand in today's class. Children, be safe in your home, be happy. धन्यवाद.